Let's go, baby. Team ball time. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Whoops. There we go. Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, Team Bull. What's up, Greg? What's up, Mega Trade? Bro, that trade yesterday was awesome, man. That was awesome. There's no denying that. You can deny we ever went to the moon. You can deny the Denver airport is the Illuminati headquarters. But you cannot deny Greg's mega trade from yesterday. And that's a fact. What's up, Bill? What's up, Leak? Mr. Bill, 4 payouts. Let's go. What's up, G-Puck? What's up, Alpha? Tyler? What's up, Digital Dad? What's up, Adam? What's going on, everybody? We got 2 minutes still open. Let's get screen share up. Screen share is up and active. Let's get this party started. Let's find ourselves some winners today. Let's find ourselves some winners today. Welcome to the good life. Say the best things in life are free. The good life. Okay, let's get this started. Let's go. Let's get it. I missed those Grizzlies. Let's do this. Got the Folgers. You're ridiculous, bro. The Folgers. I can't. I can't do it. I can't do it. There we go. Yeah, Grizzly, you missed it. Greg had a monster trade yesterday. I had a decent trade. I had 2 decent trades. One was okay. I had a 40-point trade and then a 15-point trade.
I was looking at the price action. There would have been no trade for me. Nothing was in mine. That's my strategy.
Yep. Yep. Bro, I was going to enter on those shorts too. So similar setup to this, right? We let this first candle close aggressively. I drew up my 50% retracement from top to bottom. We were 3 points from the 50% retracement where I was going to enter. Just didn't get it.
That's the worst.
What's crazy is I have a designer shirt on today. I wore one of my old Amiri shirts. I never wear it, bro. I have so much designer in my closet I bought when I was young and dumb. And I'm still young and sometimes kind of dumb, but I'm less young and dumb. I don't buy designer anymore. Got the camo Amiri on, baby. I think I paid like $600 for this shirt. That was dumb. That was silly. Yeah, you can't see me, huh? We're trading NQ. Why do you need to see the ticker when I can tell you and you should know by the price? If you're a trader, you should know this is NQ. Proofs on the paper, baby. I always show my wins and losses after. What do you mean no proof? I don't trade Forex. I don't trade pairs. But good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Appreciate y'all being here, hitting that follow button, liking the stream. If you're on YouTube, you press that like button. If you're on TikTok, you spam those likes by tapping your screen over and over. It means the absolute world to me, and I will always do my best to help you guys pass your challenges, level up, stay disciplined, and stay focused. That being said, we had 2 winning trades yesterday. I'm hoping to do the same thing for you guys today. Had 2 losing trades on Tesla on Monday, 2 winning trades on NQ yesterday, and I'm hoping, fingers crossed, we can keep the winning streak going today. That's the goal. All right. What are you guys watching today, Grizzly Glock? Greg?
I like that bounce around that previous day low. You get down there. Quite a ways off.
Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Really from the street. Really from the street. Yeah, MSTR is dying this morning. MSTR is dying this morning. Don't da 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 don't. Oh, okay. We're 8 minutes in. This is your morning reminder to choose discipline over dopamine today. Follow your process, stay focused, trade smart, trade safe. And when you stick with the plan, you stick with what you know traditionally works, that's when success comes. Let's see. We are at pre-market low. Yep, discipline over dopamine today. That's correct. Steamboat with 10. Not entirely sure yet. We're in a very odd range for me. Probably could tell wait till the 15-minute closes and then see what we can get. Wait till the 15. Yeah, Tesla and Google, right? Yep. Yep. Tesla and Google. Tezzy Baby and Goog. As a reminder, y'all, I appreciate if you're here and you're trading on your futures accounts. Make sure you use code Jdun. It will always get you the best possible discount. 80% off on Apex using code Jdun and 35% off on Tradeify. Use code Jdun. I will always do my best to help you guys pass your challenges too. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Rejecting pre-market high. We'll see what we get in the next few candles. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Okay. Too much drip. That live trading with the Master Mentor program was awesome last week. Anyone on voice here in Colorado that would want to come trade live with me sometime in the next week or two? I was thinking about having 10 people come trade with me in person. Wouldn't be like BullCon was with, 6 hours of education, but damn, we got a decent amount of people that want to come trade live. It was cool. It's just cool. Trading can be such a such a lonely thing. So having everyone around at the same time is cool. The same room full of killers.
Fun and games till someone set you up here to draw down.
Fuck nay. Let's go. Yeah, it's only an hour. I have a place up in Wyoming too. Coming out next month for Hippie Sabotage at Red Rocks. Hey Gucci, that's awesome, bro. Love Hippie Sabotage. Your Red Rocks is also right by the office, so it's about 20 minutes away. Littleton. Yeah, if you're interested, make sure you keep up with my Instagram. If you're on YouTube, you can DM me on Instagram. That's the only place I answer DMs. I'm watching the move. I'm just not trading yet. It's the first 15 minutes. I rarely trade the first 15 minutes. Rarely. I mean, I will sometimes, but my edge just isn't there. This is real. This is real, baby. Don't. All right. Still nothing for me, guys. Rejected that pre-market low through here. No setup in there. Not this early. You're doing what? I thought you said you're taking. You're looking. A pre-market low retest would have been it. This was too early in the day. Yep, too early in the day for me. Pre-market low got tested. Rejected. Just a bit early for my liking. Just a little early for my liking. And now we look at our... We honestly have a decent amount of room now down to... If we can hold down here for the next 15 minutes for the hourly close low, we can look for the next pop up and then see if we can get a bigger time frame short down to 23,100. Our 15-minute range is also in. So we're set now. We're set with our levels. Set with our levels. Three, 218. Yeah, we got data in 13 minutes too. Got data in 13 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Was it 12 and 15? Is that 13? 13. Sí. Trece. I'm saying, Jorge. C. Yep, Spanish class time too. Oh, I missed that Tesla. Had a nice pin bar up retest back down to 330. Testing the shorts, Greg. Greg tested the shorts. What do you like there? Don't. What's ES doing today? Selling off just like NQ is. That's what it's doing. Greg is inside Team Bowl. If you'd like to be inside Team Bowl, then you can DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. Greg's in the shorts. I'm not in. Greg took those shorts up there. He's trimming now. He's trimming his position. There's a little lag, but he's trimming down there below 80. Nice job, dog. But you know, pump it down. You've got to pump it down. Drop it low, girl. Drop it. Stopped out, everyone. Stopped out, break even right here, guys. Stopped out, break even. On hit. Not me. I haven't taken anything, but for Greg. Looks like the reverse orb's about to pay. Well, not technically the reverse orb, but that failure to go lower, retest, and then move. no trades for me yet. Staying super patient. I don't got Gene here with me either. He had to do something with his landlord back home, so he could not make it to the office today. Went and got some blood work done yesterday. That was nice. I got a lot of tests done. Did my quarterly whole panel. Literally everything. Dumped like 12 tubes of blood. Everything's not okay. It's great chasing her like Michael Myers. I'm feeling amazing. Life is blessed. Got a trading account. Got a roof over my head. Got my girl some beautiful flowers this morning. Which my kings, go spoil your girl today. Spend the $50, $100 on flowers. Is what I got my girl this morning. Tell me them babies aren't pretty. Come on. Spend the money on your girl. Do something nice on a random Wednesday. Set the tone for the household. Bring the positivity. Show her you're the man. And spread some love, baby. Say, well, Jdun, I don't want to spend $50, $100. Oh, bro, go make more. You ain't gonna get rich by saving money. You're gonna get rich by making more money. You feel me? Come on now. We get rich by making more money. That's why you're on this stream. Y'all want to make money. I got you. I'm gonna do everything in my power to make that happen. Everything in my power to make that happen. Happy wife, happy life. Oh, yeah. Home life is everything. That's for sure. That's for sure. Stan or SWAT, where do you go for that again? I go to a clinic here. It's run by my mother-in-law. If you're in Colorado, I highly recommend her. She's great. I highly recommend her. That'd be awesome, SWAT. Let me send you her Instagram. That'd be amazing. She's a new business in the last year. She's an FNP, family nurse practitioner. She does everything with hormones for men and women. She works with more women, but she does work with men too. You know, she does mine, and she has a good amount of men clients, but for you or your wife. You hit her up on IG. I recommend it for anybody, no matter what state you're in or who you use. I recommend you guys have your hormones checked at least minimum once a year. At least. Minimum. We're slinging TRT now. No. Not slinging TRT. I put her Instagram in the TikTok chat. Renee Good FNP. They mean a lot for you guys to, if you're especially you women, support and follow. If you want to get your health right. I'm not. I hate the TRT plug. Why y'all keep saying I'm the TRT plug? I talk one time about hormones and y'all think I'm jacked up on TRT. I will be. I'm 29 right now. My TRT is decent naturally. It's not crazy. It's around 600. So it should be higher optimally, but right now I'm 100% natural. So I've been doing some, it might be a little higher. It might be like 620 to 630s now. I've been taking some ashwagandha, doing some things to help my gut health that have likely naturally raised it, but No TRT or pellets yet. One day, though. I will. As I get older, I'll for sure take TRT. They did you dirty on that, Greg. Well, not that dirty. Your trim was right at this candle's low. I don't like any 15-minute low reject yet. We haven't gotten to the low. We haven't closed below the low. So I'm just staying patient. I think it's going to be one of those days where I don't take a trade for probably 45 minutes an hour. We'll see what the market does, but as always, I'm in no rush. Had a good day yesterday. If we can get 1 or 2 good trades a day, that's all it takes. Yep, we got news in 2 minutes as well. Before news, I'm going to use the restroom quick. I'll be right back. 2 seconds. All right. Damn, Greg. Damn, Greg, they did you dirty. Ugh. Okay, close that 5-minute candle below on data. Let's watch for a pop back up now. We're at 162, higher volume. Arguably, you could take a higher risk short, but I'm not going to do it. Pop up to 180 area. I will watch for a short up here, 180 to 190. 160 to 110. That's 50 points. It's too much. 60 to 202, 40 points, too much. $180 to $190. I'm trying a small piece of shorts, guys. Yeah, I took a small starter piece of shorts up here. So it's a bit early for what I like, but I have room to add too. So up here around 180. Got filled at 177.7, so 178. I have hard stops in at 202.
with you, Jdun. Sorry, not a thing.
It's worth a try for me. If we break above 202, I know I'll be wrong, but it's worth a try for me. There we go. I'm going to take a baby piece off at 167. Just a baby piece off here. I'd like to see a low a day. There we go, 165. Almost at 1R. Come on, give us a pop down to that 160. And at this point now, I'm going to move my stops down to 180. I'd like to see us continue down off this or break, but I am going to move my stops down to 180. There we go. 165. 13 points. Yeah, I like low a day. Stops are going to be at 182 to be exact. The high of this candle wick. I'd like to see low a day out of this. Up 13 points. You can manage a UC fit. 15 points. There we go. I'm going to take a few more off at 160, guys. 160. I like to see us continue down. A stop loss has not been moved up. Stop loss has not been moved down. Still at 182. Low a day, I'll trim more at 150 or 53. I got 2 trims off so far. This could be the mega. If we can hold down here and break this low a day, this could be the mega. Come on. Come on. Rapido. El sprinte. El explode. To el downside. Rapido. Stops at break even, everybody. Hopefully we can get lower. I'd like to see lower. I'd like to see us break this downside. We got close. We got within $3 of it. As a reminder, yo, we're doing well so far, guys. 20 points off that. I want to see lower, though. My stops are at break even, everybody. Sitting at 178. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Now down. Come on. Down. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Come on. Down, puppy. Come on, puppy. Downwards. Downwards dog. We're in yoga. Downwards dog. Come on. Come on, baby. Flow it down. Vinyasa. Vinyasa to the downside. Come on. Yep. Hard stops are at 178, guys. We want more. Come on. Come on, downward dog. Come on, downward dog. Make sure you guys have trimmed YouTube and TikTok. Definitely would recommend you guys trim stops at break even. Let's see if we can get this breakdown. Come on. Hard stops are in at 178. Come on. I want a death candle under low of day. Come on. There we go. Low of day, guys. I did not take a third trim down there. It was too fast. But definitely recommend you're over 1R that, you know, you've managed your position. I still want more. I want an aggressive candle below low a day. My hard stops are still in at break even. We got that low a day though. Got our price target. Happy about that. I wanted to see more. I was a little disappointed in that break. Oh, that's not good. Just hit my stop at 178, guys. My stop got hit at 178. It's all right. Hit 20 points. We'll take it. It's not horrible. I still think we could have some more room down if this candle fails, but we got what I wanted. We'll take it. We got low a day. We got low a day out of that, and that's what I wanted. Any of you guys make some money on that in Team Bull? Anyone take that? Get 20 points out of it, something? Team 20 points. Again, test that support, turn resistance. Break nice. How'd you guys do? What'd you guys pay yourself out of that trade? That's what I like to ask. How much you pay yourself? How much you paid for that entry? How much y'all get paid for that entry? 380 on QQQ, 227 per 827. Over 2,000. Let's go, Tyler. 205 micros. Up 800. 300. 95. That's awesome. $12. 127. 300. 245. Great. You guys paid yourself well this morning. And watch it go and stop me out and then rip down. Watch that. Watch that happen. Textbook orb, guys. 15-minute low. Aggressive trend-setting candle down. You guys see on screen share. Retest. Try. Ideally, you want more out of it. But this didn't, unfortunately, work out like that. Awesome. Let's go. Beautiful trade live. How much y'all pay yourselves? 380, 227, 827, over 2,000, 205 micros, 800, 300, 995, 127, 245. Let's go. 470. Over my buffer on TPT 230, 2,500. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. You love to see it. As a reminder, if you want more trades like that, I try to do this for you guys every day. 20, 30, 40-point trades is how you get paid out. Make sure y'all tap in, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button on the live. If you enjoy these lives, you get value. And as always, use code Jdun for the best possible discounts on Apex and Tradeify. Let's go. Let's go. JSI is about to fire, bro. I hope it does for you, bro. I wanted more out of that. Looks like we can get it. Just wanted to follow my risk parameters.
man down day. Wait a minute.
Well, that'd be great. Don't worry, I'm sure JSI will fire. We'll see the nuclear move down. Sure it will. It's all right. I'm happy with what I got out of it. I paid myself for the morning. Tesla's looking strong. Appreciate y'all being here, hitting that follow button, everyone on TikTok. If you tap in, hit that top left corner, hit that follow button, it means the world to me. And I'll always do my best to help y'all pass your challenges, get funded, and get paid out. As a reminder, I am live on YouTube as well. So you get full screen share on YouTube. If anything ever happens to TikTok, make sure you guys are subscribed on YouTube. There's a bit more lag, a few more seconds of lag on YouTube, but nonetheless, you also get full screen share and a little more clear picture of what I'm trading versus just this small chart here. So if you go type in Jdun trades to your YouTube, you'll find me on there. Make sure you subscribe. I have a ton of solid free game, and I'm also live there every day as well. Oh, I definitely sold that early, huh? It's going to do me dirty. DM me on IG, Trevor. Jdun Trades. It's the only place I respond to DMs. I do watch multiple time frames at once. I like this Tesla on the 30-minute where it looks like we want more gas on Tesla. I think we want to test that 338. I'm not confident enough to try it, but whoops. You can trade futures on Schwab. It's just very expensive. Oh, Team Bowl. What is it going to give us? Well, I'm happy with how I manage my trade, seeing this. Oh. It's Wednesday, too. Y'all know what that means. Make some money. Go hit leg day. Don't. No trades currently. No trades currently. You see anything like Grizzly? You just one and done on that shorts entry.
No, I still like that bounce rate. Push on down.
What's your bounce area?
Starts at 23,134. Goes down to 23,108.
What do you like there?
For hourly demand.
134. All right. I'll watch to rip it with you. I'll watch to rip it with you, partner.
Favorite zone.
I caught shorts off this candle up here. Let's move down. What's crypto at? Let's see. $118. I finally took the move, guys. I finally put my crypto on cold storage. Finally put all my crypto on cold storage. Far away from me. Y'all kept telling me with all the Bitcoin I had, I needed to do that. So I took your advice, did a few hours of research, put it in cold storage, and it's off the grid and onto the blockchain. How much Bitcoin do you think I have? Some of y'all have heard me talk about it before. I've just over 13 Bitcoins. Working my way up to 15. Yep, just over a dozen. I buy them slow. I don't go all in. I buy pretty much every day, every other day. I buy a few thousand worth. If I have a big trading week, if I make 10, 15 G's in a week trading, I might put 5, 7 into Bitcoin. I save in Bitcoin. Got on 1.6 mil, well, depending on price. Yep. I'm not selling it though. It's a symmetrical bet for me, guys. So here's how I look at it: is that Bitcoin could go to zero and I would lose over $1 million, and I would be okay with that because if Bitcoin goes to where I want it to go, 500K plus, 600K plus, $1 million one day, then I have potential to 10x my money versus lose 1x. So if I lose $1 million on it, then well, I lose $1 million. But if I make my 5, 10x, I make 5, 10 million. What do you mean cap? What are you talking about, bro? Why would I cap? I've showed it on the screen before. I mean, just you think it's cap. Unreal. It might not reach 600K. It might not reach it ever. I don't. That's the thing is, it's a bet that I'm willing to make. We took one trade for 20 points. We caught the move from this high here at one. My fill was 178 down to this one, the below 160. So over a 1 hour trade. I hope it crashes. I hope everyone says, well, Bitcoin's going to crash, sell. It's like, bro, I'll buy more if it crashes. You know, I still will buy. Like, for example, just to prove a point, I'll go on Coinbase right now. It's at 118,000. There we go. Didn't make 2K today, but made just under. Let's go here. $2,000 of the Bitcoin. I'm going to get filled at 119. Bought. Done. $2K with the Bitcoin. Confirmed. $2,000. Just because why not, you know? He's part of this week's day trading profits. Just to prove a point, I will buy at all-time highs. If we go lower, I'll buy more. You know, I average in, so I buy the highs, I buy the lows, but over time, right? If Bitcoin even goes to 200, then from now that 2,000 I just put in with you guys, I almost double it, right? Not quite, but that 2K turns into what? 3K and some change. That's how I look at things. Just like trading, it's all risk. I think Bitcoin isn't a way to. Here's the thing about Bitcoin is that you have to have a lot of money to get really wealthy off it. But I think even if you don't, you know, even if you guys are working paycheck to paycheck, you know, put in $50 a week. Start saving something. I think you just put in something, right? It doesn't. We all start our journeys at different points. If you can only afford $20 a week, that's better than zero. So that $20 you're putting in, when we get to that 200K, right? You just doubled that 20, turned into 40. You put your money to work for you. I'm a big advocate for putting your money to work for you, right? Whether it's $20 or $2,000 or $20,000. Everyone starts somewhere. Everyone starts somewhere. Same with prop firms. You know, if you guys are trading on Apex, or if you guys are trading with Tradeify, you know, I want you guys to be working towards payouts, but then funding your own live account, using that money and making that money you take from these prop firms to work for you. That's the only way you're going to get wealthy. I made that mistake by not doing that quite a bit when I was younger. I'm looking for more trades, yes. We might. I'm just staying patient. No more trades for me yet, guys. Just looking. Yep. Just looking. That is correct. Don't. One winning trade on the day. One winning trade in the day. Staying patient for anything else. Check. There we go. You know, we got some big after hours earnings as well. So we got Tesla and Google today. That may cause some chop in the NASDAQ. What was that, Grizzly? Yeah, definitely. 20. I got 2 more minutes until 2:31. R5. We'll cross to the downside. I'm in no rush to take anything else. I'm happy with the trade we got. It wasn't massive, but 20, 25 points, depending on how you managed it. Even with the smallest position possible, micro, right? That's $50. $50 a day over the whole trading year is an extra $12,500 a year. I'm sure ain't no one here complaining about an extra 12 racks a year. I'm just saying that's on the lower end of the spectrum. Hey, Preston, that's awesome. Up $200 in the day. That's awesome, bro. That's great. Don't. Up to $200 in the day, $1,000 in the week. That's awesome. I'll use some indicators. I've been using EMAs a little more lately. Here's what I found, though, is that if you use too many indicators or too much, it can lead to analysis paralysis, where you're looking at too many things. Higher volume here. All right. Let's see if we can look for any longs entries. One reason I say that, not fully sold yet, but we did break above this 15-minute low. Higher volume after failing 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. Nothing yet for me. Just watching. Let's see how I want to see how this candle reacts in here. This is the candle reaction I care about. Yep, if you use code Jdun, the second month will be discounted as well. With Apex, it's 80% off. With Tradeify, it's 35% off. Tomorrow, also, guys, is going to be FFF Day. My old prop firm I used to own. I'm going to have an exclusive discount. So tomorrow, I'm letting you guys in on a secret. Tomorrow, if you trade in FFF evals, they have 1-day and 2-day pass. They've paid out over $8 million. It will be 50% off tomorrow. There's no better discount in the market. 50% off all evals tomorrow with my code. It's not today. It's tomorrow. So I'm going to do my best to help y'all milk them. And if you've been looking to trade with FFF, tomorrow's the day to try your account. It's going to be 50% off tomorrow. If you're wanting to become a funded futures trader, No better time. 50% off. Let's go milk them boys. Let's go milk them boys. I don't really read a lot of news while I'm trading, Adam. What up, Dirk? What's up, Dirk? And YouTube? What's up, YouTube chat? What's up? What's up? What's up? Check, check. Y'all can hear me. Okay, good. I am not ex-military. I just got the cut. Yep, chain. Let's milk them, baby. Ho Team Bowl still just waiting. Bro, yesterday, I literally typed in chat. I said, all right, guys, out to the gym. It should dump any second now. Bro, literally dumped about 10 minutes later. So foul. Oh my gosh. Typically, I'd say watch for a short down on 175. Just a little hesitant with this price action. Huh. Da-do-do. Said, what you doing if Jokic gets traded, bro? I'm going into a deep depression for a very long time. Lots of therapy. Lots of therapy. What up, Marks? What's up, everybody? I was watching for a short in this pop up, but didn't quite get to where I had enough risk reward to do it. Give this man his bounce. Get this market some coffee.
Go make some more myself.
I still got mine from this morning. Sipping on it. Give it some Folgers.
Okay.
Oh, I got to decide. I'm going out to Hawaii in September for my wedding. You get a computer on the go setup so I can keep streaming with y'all. I'm going to be there for like 10 days, I think. 9 or 10 or something. Can't leave y'all on the stream for 9 days. I'm not going to stream. Probably it'll be a few days I don't, but thanks, Michael. Got to find some mobile. Well, I mean, wedding day. It's the wedding day. And wife's like, Jdun, we're getting married today, not trading. I say, I'm sorry, baby. I'm married to the game. No, I'm kidding. I'm not. I won't be streaming on that Friday. But there will be a few days that I do stream. Thanks, She Trades. Yep, end of September. I'm super excited. It's kind of cool. I haven't taken a vacation for over 2 years, 2.5. So I splurged a little bit and spent some money flying out all my good friends, all my day one friends and family to Hawaii and giving them a nice paid for vacation for the wedding too, for our destination wedding. Thought to myself, it is expensive and I am spending a decent amount of money, but I haven't spent money on vacation in over 2 years, Big Island. I love the Big Island. Yes, sir. It's a blessing to be able to take everyone for sure. It's a blessing, that's for sure. I'm tempted to try these shorts, man. I don't see any I like Team Bowl. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a bit more, a little bit more, and then call it 2. I'm not in a rush to take anything else. I'm not in a rush. If it comes, we'll take it. I was tempted to try some shorts with stops above 95. Just have too many conflicting signals for my system. Oh, yeah, don't worry, Corey. I could just head to the gym, and I'm sure you guys would get a massive move. I know. Then they're going to know. I'm telling you. The forces know. Yes, sir, Jonathan. Yeah, you've been killing it too. Huge part of our community, man. I've been trading for 9 years. Any tips to revenge trade? You have to have rules and you have to follow them. The number one reason that people revenge trade people ask me a lot about revenge trading, and the number one reason that people revenge trade is because they don't have discipline to follow their own rules, or their ego gets in the way, or they feel entitled to quote unquote money in the market. In order to revenge trade, there has to be anger. You have to feel the need for vengeance for something. Well, you should never feel the need for vengeance on a trade, because what the market's going to do what the market's going to do. It's your job to follow your risk and accept that losing is part of the game. So if you lose a trade and it was bigger than you anticipated, that's on you. That's on nobody else but you. When I go into trade, I know exactly how much I'm risking. I know what my stop loss is. If I'm in one mini and my stop loss is 20 points, well, I have $400 worth of risk. I know that. So if I get stopped out, it's not a huge surprise that I lose $400. If I have two minis and my stop loss is 20 points, I lose $800. It's not rocket science. You should never be confused or upset or disgruntled when you lose a trade, or shocked when you lose a trade at how much you lose. If you do have that shock, then you're not managing your risk right. You're not managing your risk before the trade happens. And that's not a sustainable strategy long term. And I think, Jonathan, to your point, I think that emotionless is a tough word to use with trading because we're not robots. But I think having yourself and your discipline and your patience in the driver's seat is the way to look at it. Your emotions are always going to be there in the passenger, but you got the wheel. You feel me? You got the wheel. All right, y'all. I'll be right back. I'll be drinking so much water. I got to use the restroom again. I'll be back. Okay. Yeah, definitely recommend each of you as a part of the free Discord. If you're not, you can DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. I am live on YouTube every single day. Yep. If you're on YouTube, you can just tap in the description below and get access to the Discord. If you also have any questions, you can also DM me on Instagram. It's the only place I answer questions, via DM. Yeah, that's crazy. It's insane. South Park got a $1.5 billion deal. $1.5 billion deal. Tell me that's not insane. They got the creators of South Park are from nearby where I am. Matt Stone is from Littleton. That's where I live, in that area, around Golden. And then Trey Parker was from Conifer. Have I been to Have I been to Casa Bonita? Yes. The food is absolutely horrific, bro. But it's a fun experience, and I recommend everyone goes. Casa Bonita, Casa Bonita. That episode of South Park where Cartman hides Butters so he can go to Casa Bonita. That stuff is hilarious. Literally cafeteria food, bro, but it is good. I mean, it's a fun experience. Not good food, but it's a good experience. Oh, that's funny. Honestly, bro, not really. I would arguably say looking for longs now that we popped above this 15-minute low again and then had higher volume, but it didn't really respect it the first time. So there's not a lot that I love. I really don't want to give back my gains for today. So we'll see. At 200, 230. I always wait the first 15 minutes, and I have great success doing it. That's just me, though, bro. I don't mean that in a disrespectful way, but, I caught a nice trade. I caught a really nice trade. I caught that move off that 15-minute low here for a nice 25-point, 30-point move, depending on how you caught it. Don't. I know. Boring. It's not a lot going on. There's not a lot going on in individual world either. Does it still sound like there's wind? Jonathan? Maybe it was me breathing. I was breathing into it. Do you explain your way of trading in your Discord? I think this Discord's a great place for everybody, but I also explain on these lives too. I'll be going nuts. Yeah, I'll be going dumb. You probably hear my music. Maybe that's it. I got music on. That's probably the music, bro. It's not supposed to be silent. Trade if I'm live. Coinbase. There's a bull run going on. I'm trading SPX. Let's see here. Check, check, check. Okay, got it. Don't. So odd. There's that move up. So I was. You guys out of here? Adios, fellas. Bye, Greg. Oh, I thought you were leaving. Oh, I thought you said you were out of here too. Whoops. What are these sound effects? I didn't know there was these sound effects. Every time I catch a big old trade, I'm gonna do this for myself. If no one's hyping the chat, I'm gonna go. That's awesome. I just realized these are here. Oh, that's cool. That's funny. That is some good stuff right there. I'll check it out. Don't. I got no trades right now. Got no trades right now. Also, tomorrow, too, if you're trading with FFF, I would hold off on buying any new evals or their new straight to fundeds. Gonna have an exclusive Team Bull sale tomorrow. 50% off during trading hours of all evals and 30% off their straight to fundeds. If y'all want to milk my old firm, just hold off on buying any new accounts till tomorrow. They never do 50% off. They're going to regret giving Team Bull that sale, I'll tell you that much. No, they've only had positive rule changes in the last few months. I didn't like the rule change they did a few months ago, but it's been really good. They paid out over $8 million. I'm really proud of the progress they made. Yep. So tomorrow, don't buy no accounts today, but tomorrow. FFF tomorrow. I can't trade this right here. This is just untradeable for me. Yep, tomorrow's 50% off. Dun. Let's see. 2. Just waiting, everybody. Come on, give us something. We got big earnings tonight, so maybe that's waiting. Or honestly, guys, here's what I think's happening. I think the market waits until I leave, and then it's gonna dump or rip. That's probably gonna happen. So you can check out their plans here, but don't buy any accounts today for FFF. You guys can go milk my old firm tomorrow. There's the link. They got some great plans. They got straight to funded accounts now with 25% consistency. Just personally wait till tomorrow. You'll get 50% off evals, 30% off straight to funded. What do you mean emotional trading? I'm chilling. I'm emotionally chilling. That's what I'm doing. Vibing. Dun, 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 dun. Proceed. Dun, 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 dun. FFF tomorrow, 50% off. Only tomorrow. It's a one-day sale. Only for my code, too. It's exclusive to code Jdun and Team Bull. Clinically insane in the membrane, yeah. Don't, 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 don't. Dun, 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 dun. Oh yeah, don't worry. Do not fret, my friends. The moment I leave is when it'll pump or dump. So I'm gonna be out in 17 minutes at 9:30. I trade for 2 hours. I'm gonna be out for the day. At this point, Pumbaa, it's just natural occurrence. to lose it all. Got so far. To lose it all.
I like the price action was. I know we're close to the tree, but the price action is a lot. See, I'm done for today. Yeah, I'm done for today. I like this. Small green for me. I'm okay with that.
Small green's great, especially on a day like today.
Yes. So yesterday we got a good trade, so but the price action is too slow for me. I guess. So tomorrow, same channel. Goodbye, Mr. Jdun.
See you, Greg. Have a great day, bro.
You too, man. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.
He losing. Chat, tell Jeremy how we did this morning. Will someone please explain to Jeremy how this morning went? I'm not gonna tell him. I'm done talking. Please let Jeremy know how we did this morning. If I lost, tell him. If I won, let him know. How was the one trade I took? Was it a win or was it a loss? We got 1 for 1 on the day. That's right. One winning trade. One winner on the day. One winner on the day. One winner on the day. Don't. No trades for me right now, guys. Yeah, I got you, Grant. They say I'm the biggest, the largest. They say I'm the biggest, the largest. We got earnings today. We in chargest. Be showing home. I'm not seeing anything, guys. I was telling Teambull earlier, I finally put my crypto into cold storage. For all y'all that were yapping at me to put it in cold storage, it's there. Well, a good amount of it. Oh. What happens if your cold storage gets destroyed? Well, you have your seed phrase you can back it up on, but it's not going to happen. Don't give anyone your seed. Yeah. Yeah. Setting up the office with Mr. Gene today. Setting up the office. Jeez. There we go. Details, bank account number, routing number. No trades right now, guys. Staying patient. Patience is the key. That's right. That is correct. Don't. I don't see anything I like, guys. It's almost time for me to go. I got 5 more minutes. It's calling me. Who thinks they can just call me during trading hours? Don't. Appreciate y'all being here. TikTok. As a reminder, I'm live here every morning, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Trade smart, trade safe. Hit that follow button and join me every day live. Don't. Appreciate y'all liking this live too if you're on YouTube. Hit that like button. I will always do my best to help you guys pass your challenges, get funded, and get paid out. Always and forever. I'm not in the Springs. I'm near Golden. I'm near Golden. Don't. How we doing today? We're green, baby. Green machine. Green machine. Don't. Where'd you win a free Apex? It would have been in your DMs. It's likely a different Jeff. I don't see any DMs from you. Dun. No. What's up, KR Illa? Appreciate you, bro. Come on every morning. 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Market open every day. I'm live here. Catch bangers every single day, baby. Don't. Yeah, Jeff. I think a different Jeff's name got called, bro. I don't see anything in your DMs. Well, where'd you win it? Where'd you win it? Dun. Sure, any moment now, when I leave, we're gonna get the dump. Any moment now. Sure, it's coming. Dun. I could see a bullish breakout if we hold 200. We fail 200, then we're just. There's a good chance that we consolidate. We don't do a whole lot of anything. With those big earnings tonight, Google and Tesla, there's a good chance we just consolidate. Don't do anything. Dun. We might get some movement in power hour. Good. This is Asia session vibes for sure. Big time Asia session vibes. Big time. Oh, I should get out of here, huh? Give you guys a good move. Dun. This price action is egregious. Don't. Us brokers wouldn't be rich if it wasn't for people like you. What is this guy talking about? I rob bucket shops. Simple stack investments. Oh, gosh. Another one of those guys. Oh, get a load of this guy. Unreal. Just nothing better to do than TikTok streams. Nothing better. Just talking to air. Let's see this guy's website. Let's go check it out. These are 5-minute candles. You're already wrong, bro. Oh gosh. Oh no, bro couldn't even know what time frame it is. Oh my gosh, it's the Potter guy. The absolute worst. I'm talking the worst trader on this app. One of the worst. Oh gosh. No. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. Bro just can't get me out of his mind. Just remember, Mr. Potter, I'm your daddy. Always have been, always will be. Oh, that's hilarious. That's good stuff right there. Oh, we're chilling. We're having fun, baby. I'm about to head to the gym, get ripped. More ripped. You guys love me. I don't blame you. I mean, I love me too. I call some banger trades here live. I call some banger trades here live. I don't blame you. I love me too. I love this stream too. It's great. It keeps the live interesting. That's for sure. That is for sure, bro. I don't trade for anybody. I don't trade for people. I'll trade live. I don't trade for people. We're going to keep changing lives. We just give the trolls a little troll and we focus on trading, but we like to kick it back a little bit. You feel me? Like to kick it back a little. Like to kick it back a little. All right, y'all. I'm about to hit the gym, my friends. We stream for over 2 hours. Once again, we always do at least 2 hours. So trade smart, trade safe. And remember, if you guys are trading prop firms, I'm going to have the biggest discount FFF has ever offered tomorrow, strictly for Team Bull members using code Jdun and Team Bull. So wait to lock in those accounts. Evals are straight to funded tomorrow. I probably won't be on for power hour today. We'll see. But I'm going to get out of here and go to the gym, get some things done. Trade smart, trade safe, and I'll see you guys later. Thank you for being a part of Team Bull. Great job today, Tyler. Great job today, everyone. Follow your plan. Don't allow boredom trading, revenge trading, or tilt to take over, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Peace, everybody. All right, TikTok, YouTube, make sure y'all tap in, hit that subscribe button. Trade smart, trade safe. I'll see y'all later, everyone. God bless, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Peace. If you guys have any questions, you can DM me on Instagram, Jdun Trades. I recommend you go follow me, right? Take 2 seconds. Go to your Instagram, type in Jdun Trades, and go with that follow button. I promise you'll get value from it. That 10 seconds it takes to do that, I promise you'll get value. I'm out of here, though. Peace. Adios, YouTube. Peace.